Hi guys, this is Perry here at Jess Ford Group. Today I'm going to be going over spare tires and tire inflation kits. Sometimes on the smaller vehicles, smaller SUVs from Ford, if you get the lower trim level, they don't come standard with the spare tire. You do have to option on a spare tire if you go brand new. If you don't option on a spare tire, it will come with a tire inflation kit that you hook up to your 12 volt, and it will pump a fluid in through the tire and hopefully patching the tire, allowing you to drive about 30 miles and so you can replace your tire. If you do option on a spare tire, it will be the smaller donut, which there is a 50-50 rule. You can abide by, only go about 50 miles and only go up to 50 miles per hour to just be on the safe side. Here is your tire inflation kit back here on this Bronco Sport. It is a lower trim Bronco Sport, so it does not come with a spare tire. It is one-time use. Once that's done, when you do get a chance, replace it. And every 4 years, if you don't use it, replace it, because there is a fluid in there that can dry up, that if you try to use it, it won't patch up your tire. Plug in the 12 volt, hook the tire inflation tip to the, I don't know what it's called. Wait.
Try to interpret.
They're like upside down. Why are they like, you hold it this way? What? Oh, look. What? That doesn't make sense. It says eyes tire this way, but then it's like pump this way. So this is a tire inflation kit. The way you use it is there's two different sides. There's a pump side, and then there's a tire inflation kit side, which actually pumps the fluid in to patch your tire. What you want to do is turn on your vehicle, plug in the 12 volt to the unit, and then you want to plug in the unit to the tire that's flat. After that, turn it on, pump it up to what the recommended tire pressure is on the vehicle. You can find that on the door sill on the driver's side. You want to drive about 5 miles and stop, plug in the pump side. See if your PSI stays about the same, you're good to keep driving. If it drops just a tad bit, you could pump it up and still drive. If it drops a lot, stop, call a tow truck. If you don't lose any air pressure, you could go about 50 miles. Then it's highly recommended, once you finally find a place to replace your tire, replace your tire. On something like an F-150 or an Expedition, it'll come with a spare tire. So you want to put your toolkit in this little spot. Sometimes it has a key spot in there as well. If it does have a key spot, you just want to take your key from your key fob and unlock it that way. But you would put your toolkit in here and slowly ratchet down the tire, and then you could replace that tire with one of the tires that is flat on the vehicle. If you guys want to see how you bring down the spare tire on one of these F-150s, click on the link above. So technically the F-150s and Expeditions and Super Duties, most of the time they will have a full-size spare. So once you do replace that tire, let's say if you got a flat tire and you replace it with the spare tire, there's not really a limit to, hey, I can only go a certain speed on it. But what I would recommend is still getting the other tire looked at, and if it can be reused, I would put the other tire back on. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Perry. I'm here at Jess Ford Group. If you guys would like to learn more or have any questions, please like and subscribe, comment down below.